Speed up your system by managing Windows search indexing the smart way. Here is what to do. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Windows search indexing helps you find files faster, but it can also consume resources and slow down your system. In this video, we will show you how to enable or disable search indexing so you can balance speed and performance. Method 1. Using Windows services. Windows search indexing helps speed up searches by creating an index of files, emails, and other content on your PC. While useful, it can consume system resources. You may want to disable it for performance reasons or enable it again if you rely heavily on fast searches. Press Windows + R on your keyboard. This opens the Run utility. In the Run box, type this. Click OK or press Enter. This opens the Services window. In the Services window, click anywhere in the list. Press the W key to jump to services starting with W. Scroll down until you find Windows Search. Now configure the service. For this, double-click on Windows Search. In the Startup Type drop-down menu, select Disabled to turn off indexing. Select Automatic to enable indexing. Click Apply, then OK. Some changes may require a restart to take effect. If indexing doesn't behave as expected, restart your PC. By adjusting the Windows Search service, you can enable or disable indexing depending on your needs very easily. Disabling it can improve performance or slower systems, while enabling it ensures faster file searches. Method 2. Using Control Panel. This method lets you fine-tune indexing by choosing which folders and file types are included instead of disabling the entire service. Here is what to do. Open Run utility and type Control Panel, then press Enter. In the Control Panel, search for indexing options. Click Modify to select or deselect folders you want indexed. Click Advanced to rebuild or reset the index if needed. Apply changes. Indexing will adjust accordingly. Method 3. Using Settings app. Windows 11 includes a dedicated search settings page where you can manage indexing behavior more easily. Here is what to do. Open Settings by pressing Windows + I keys. Go to Privacy and Security, then Search. Under Find My Files, choose Classic or Enhanced. The Classic option indexes only user folders like documents, pictures, etc. The Enhanced option indexes your entire PC for faster searches. Now scroll down to excluded folders and add any locations you don't want indexed. Whether you enable or disable search indexing, the choice is yours, and it can transform how your PC feels. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next video.